equation I prepare here are 2 times 3 minus 2 times 4 minus 3 times minus 2 and 2 times minus 5. Before I go with that, let me tell you this first. Maybe you have heard this before. My friend has a friend. He is my friend. My friend has an enemy. So he is my enemy as well. My enemy has a friend. So that friend of my enemy is my enemy as well. And the last that you need to pay attention, my enemy has an enemy which is my friend. In other words, so positive signs together, you're going to have positive. If you see positive negative or negative positive signs together, you're going to have negative signs. And the most important, if you see negative signs together, you will get the positive sign at the end. In other words, look at here. These are the same signs, same. I got the same sign. And yes, this is negative, but same signs, I get the positive. Whenever I'm looking at two same signs at the same time, it will be either negative or positive. It will be a positive sign. But if I am looking at a positive and negative or negative and positive, which means we have two different signs, the multiplication of two different signs will be a negative one. So let's remember this rule, and I'll show you how to apply. I don't see any sign here, which means discrete positive. I don't see any sign there, which means discrete positive. So the answer 2 times 3 will be a discrete positive. So I am not going to tell you guys what is 2 times 3 yet. First, number one, worry about the signs. Because at the exam, maybe you're going to say 2 times 3 is 5. Yes, it's wrong, but your sign is correct. So you will get point for that at my exam. You will lose point if you say 2 times 3 equals to minus 5, which means the number is incorrect, the sign is incorrect. Yes, you will get no point for that. But if you get the sign right, you will get half point. If you get the number right as well, you will get the half point. So it's important we deal with the signs first. I know the answer will be positive. How about here? Negative sign and no sign, which means positive. This time I am looking at two different signs. My enemy's friend, in other words. So I know my answer will be negative. How about next question? Negative sign and negative sign. My enemy's enemy. In other words, we have the same sign, like this one. They are the same. Yes, they are positive, but they are the same. These are the same as well. So your answer will be a positive one. My enemy's enemy is my friend. And the last, I have no sign here, which is a positive sign, discrete positive. And now I am looking at two different signs. My friend's enemy will be my enemy. Two different signs means negative. So once you deal with the sign, now please go ahead and tell me what is 2 times 3? 6. 2 times 4? 8. 3 times 2? 6. 2 times 5, 10. But this will give you full point like that.